वेलकम बैक टू पावर लंच। हमारे साथ शाहनवाज आगा साहब मौजूद हैं, चेयरमैन एंड सीईओ ऑफ बीमा पाकिस्तान लिमिटेड। शाहनवाज साहब जैसे मेंशन कर रहे थे, लैंड के हवाले से कितनी सारी और बातें हैं जो नॉर्मल बेसिक्स अगर कहा जाए कि कॉमर्स में एक किताब में भी दस्तियाब होती है। बट चले आए लेबर के हवाले से, ज़रा मैं पूछना चाहूँगा आगा साहब कि क्या कहेंगे आप लेबर के हवाले से इन पाकिस्तान?
साहब, किसी भी इकोनॉमी के लिए two things are relevant: your natural resources and your human resources. Now you've got 160 million plus people sitting in this country. What is our plan on labor management? Is the blue collar getting the basics like house, water, education, communication, clothes, safety, medical help? No. You want to keep him as a slave and you're expecting production to get optimized. That's not about to happen.
Slave in what sense?
You have enslaved them. Your capital, your medium of exchange, which you call money, is not equatable, is not backed up by a plan, nor is backed up by reserves. Not because you don't have them, because you have not assetized them. The direct recipient of that benefit ought to be your labor force, which is going to build this country, which is going to bring it to the top, and which is going to make it comparable. They don't even have water. They don't have electricity. Forget about everything else. What sort of output are you looking for from this sort of labor?
Being in the government, अगर बात की जाए तो पॉजिटिव वन एंड ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव हों, उनको हम दे रहे हैं फैसिलिटीज़ कि अपने आप को अपग्रेड करें.
I don't think you're giving them anything. I mean, let's be fair. If you go back to 1774 and you look at the plan set out on the basis of which the first world maintains its blue collar, we should have taken an example of that. We should learn a lesson. It is not only a requirement of Islam, it is also a requirement of good thinking, prudence, that if you want optimization of production, your labor has to be well fed, well looked after, well directed, well cared for. And if somebody from the government, because I have been part of the government also at one time, if somebody from the government is going to come and tell me that this is not doable, we don't have the resources, he should not be part of the government because he's ignorant then. The UNDP rules that you have the capability of supporting more than 1.2 billion people. You have natural resources. You have human resources. If we are not using it, we are incompetent. And the incompetent should not be allowed to make policies. Full stop.
नेशनल रिसोर्सेज के बारे से अगर आप बात करते हैं तो पाकिस्तान में थर्ड कोल प्रोजेक्ट है, कादरपुर गैस फील्ड है, ये सारे नेशनल रिसोर्सेज हैं जिसमें पाकिस्तान could also power itself, और जो क्राइसिस पे है निकाला जा सकता है. इस पर आप कोई फर्दर ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल निकाला जा सकता है. There is money available. There are entrepreneurs available to work in this country. The only thing we need is political will. And I hope the present government, the successive governments, I'm sure they're all thinking about it. They all keep thinking about it. But you need political will to implement an economic agenda.
बट aren't the people representing the government? तो यहाँ पर अगर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिकल विल नहीं है तो क्या फिर लोग भी नहीं चाहते इस तरह का कोई मूवमेंट हो या फिर एक डायरेक्शन हो?
I don't see the voice of the people being heard. I'm a writer. I write. That's my passion. I've stopped writing in the newspapers because I don't think I get heard. There are no responses. And then people come up and say, oh, he's talking something too radical. They rather go and follow a pattern dished out to them by the IMF, by the World Bank, by Uncle Sam, or by somebody from the West they are already worshipping. They are not your messiahs. They will not take you out of the mess you are in. You will take yourself out. Even Allah will not take you out.
जैसे आपने भी मेंशन किया इस बात पे, तो एक और थॉट आ गया कि पाकिस्तान had something very new to encounter, that is war on terror. What are your thoughts on war on terror?
On the 13th of May 2001, in the News International, I wrote an article called The Bamboo Curtain. And I had predicted that the economy of the United States of America had lived its validity for its printed paper, and they will engineer a war. And lo and behold, this was May, and in September, we see the first steps for a war being engineered. They have converted their economy into a war economy, probably because of the lack of choices. Our irony is that we have neither invented a war, nor converted our economy into a war economy, nor have managed our economy on the lines that as an economy ought to be managed through your own resources. Forget the rest of the world, come back to your own house, build your own house, concentrate on your own resources, your human resources, your natural resources. You've got enough.
2001 में जिसमें आपने ये आर्टिकल लिखा था, तो आपने अपने थॉट्स बताए थे, तो उस पर क्या रिस्पांस मिला था आपको? लोगों ने क्या कहा?
मुझे लोगों ने तो कुछ नहीं कहा, मगर मुझे किसी साहब ने वर्दी के अंदर बुला लिया था अपने दफ्तर में। ये क्या लिखा आपने 9/11 के बाद?
आपका क्या रिस्पांस था?
मैंने कहा जो मेरे दिमाग में आया वो मैंने लिख दिया। आपको नहीं पसंद आता, फाड़ के फेंक दीजिए।
ऑलराइट, नाउ गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, अब पाकिस्तान जिस तरह की एक सिचुएशन में है, अब उन्होंने 2-3 फोरम्स बना दिए हैं, फ्रेंड्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक पाकिस्तान, यहाँ से पैसे मिलेंगे, प्लेजेस मिलेंगे, IMF के दरवाज़ा तो हमने दोबारा खटका लिया। क्या हमारी कौम इतनी रेजिलियंट है कि ये सारी चीज़ें बर्दाश्त कर ले, आपके ख्याल में?
जी हाँ, we have got a slave culture in place, and those who are rebellious against that slave culture are gagged, set aside, killed, eliminated, or forced to migrate.
What about the forum? ये जो भी बनाया गया है, do you think will we be successful in order to get any pledges?
You see, Nawaz Sharif's government, I was looking after one of the task forces of the Prime Minister on National Affairs and Donors Coordination. And I told him at that time, one of the forums, it is even disrespectful to have a task force for donors coordination. It makes me feel like a beggar sitting in Sadr. I mean, where is our self-respect? Please. I mean, if we were sitting on an island which did not have anything on it, barren, and there were aircrafts dropping food at us, I could understand that we are marooned on an island, but we are not. Pakistan is a rich country. It is a rich country. Please don't delude yourself with the fact that it is a rich country. Make it. And you will not make it until you keep relying on these sort of forums. These forums are nothing except a basis to break your back, your will to make industry, to achieve your independence as self-respecting human beings. Why do you want to engage yourself? पैसा दे दो, किस लिए दे दो?
ग्लोबल क्राइसिस का सिचुएशन है, कोई प्राइवेटाइजेशन कर नहीं पा रहे, करते भी हैं तो कहते हैं कि अच्छा प्राइस नहीं मिलेगा।
जनाब वाला, ग्लोबल रिसेशन जिसे आप कह रहे हैं, देयर इज नो ग्लोबल रिसेशन।